Hello, I'm Carrie Sundra of Alpenglow Yarn, which is the part of Alpenglow Industries that is for all things yarn related. I recently wrote a tutorial for Ply Magazine about how to turn a tape dispenser into an electric yarn meter, and we made this video to show you how it's used. You can find the step-by-step build instructions for how to create the yarn meter at plymagazine.com/blog and also on our Hackaday page, which is hackaday.io/alpenglow. The yarn meter is used in line when rewinding a ball of yarn. So you take your ball of yarn, you run it through the yarn meter and attach it to your ball winder, and then the meter counts rotations as you wind. Use a smooth container or yarn bowl to contain your ball as it unwinds. Pull the yarn from the center of the ball. Wrap it around the core of the tape dispenser and place the core back into the dispenser. Then attach your yarn to the ball winder. Zero your rotation count. Next, take a loop of yarn from between the ball and the tape dispenser and run it forward, holding it above the ball winder. This allows you to keep consistent tension on the core of the tape dispenser so that it doesn't jump out of the dispenser while you're winding. Slow and steady is best for winding. The tape dispenser core rotates approximately 8 times per crank on the ball winder, so don't try to set any speed records. 1 to 1.5 cranks per second is a good pace. When you're done, the tape dispenser core will automatically stop because it's weighted. Note your rotation count. For those of you already familiar with circumference and yardage calculations, your rotation count multiplied by pi is the number of inches of yarn you've just wound, and then divide that by 36 to get yards. For a more detailed explanation, how to calculate meters as well as yards, and for more discussion on different ways of estimating yarn length, check out our tutorial either at plymagazine.com or hackaday.io. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you found this interesting. If you did and want to see more videos like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. We are Alpenglow Yarn on Instagram for everything that is yarn related, and we are Alpenglow Ind on both Twitter and Instagram for electronics, which sometimes includes yarn, and making anything really. See you next time.